I'm Dr. Laurence Milgrim, and I'm here in Englewood, New Jersey. I've been in practice for close to 30 years. I do mainly facial plastic surgery, but I'm double board certified in both head and neck otolaryngology as well as facial plastic and reconstructive surgery. I trained at Rutgers. That's where I did my medical school, and then I did most of my training in New York at Mount Sinai, as well as in Albert Einstein in the Bronx. I then went and did some extra training in Beverly Hills. At that point, I went into private practice, and since then, I've mainly been here. I was in private practice in Connecticut for a little while, but I've mainly been in New Jersey, which is my home. Being that I specialize mainly in rhinoplasty, it's a little bit more difficult. Rhinoplasty is considered one of the more difficult of plastic surgery procedures performed because it's right there in your face. As my career evolved, I realized that you can't just do the same type of nose on everybody. So I've changed the way in which I do my procedure at least 5 or 6 times over the course of my career. And at this point, it's about giving people what they want, but they don't want to know that they've had anything done. I think the way in which I'm able to keep up with these treatments and stay ahead of the curve is, one, constantly learning about the treatments and utilizing them in my practice. The biggest problem is choosing the right patient for the right procedure. And even though these procedures exist, the right patient doesn't necessarily always dictate, oh, they should have this or they should have that. And so I'm always evolving even in the operating room in order to give people what they're looking for. There's always new equipment evolving. Every day there's a new laser machine, and it's about picking the right piece of equipment that you want in your practice. I tend to stay with bare minimum, but the highest level of equipment that is out there, because there are about 50 different lasers and 50 different ways of getting rid of a skin problem. And you have to pick the one that you're really comfortable with. So here in the practice, we've added intense pulse light. We've added other types of lasers just recently, because this is both a practice of myself and other facial plastic surgeons and oculoplastic surgeons. My patients are happy. And I think that's the most important thing, is that they walk out happy. They don't walk out, oh my God, I did this and I really didn't expect this. But in changing their lives, it's all about confidence. And you have to be confident with the doctor that you choose, as well as being happy with the relationship that you have. And I think that's how you change lives. If a patient really wants to find out about us, they obviously can go to our websites. We have a number of them. We have the main website for the office, which is njioneer.com. My personal website, which is milgrimplasticsurgery.com. And they could always call us here at the office. The number is 201-408-4441. You could always reach us by cell phone as well as by email. I answer all emails that come through my website. So if you email me, you'll get a response from me within an hour. It comes directly to me, and I'm the one who gives you your response.